Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to pressure wash a house. Most homeowners can expect to pay between $200 and $450 for professional pressure washing services. This investment helps maintain your home's appearance and protect its exterior from dirt and mildew accumulation. Understanding these typical price ranges helps you budget effectively for this essential maintenance task, ensuring your home looks its very best. Several factors significantly influence the total cost of pressure washing your home. Larger houses, for instance, naturally require more time and resources, driving up the price. Different siding materials like delicate stucco or robust brick need specific cleaning techniques and pressures. Furthermore, if you want your driveway or patio cleaned alongside your house, prepare for an adjusted total. These elements combine to determine your personalized service quote. You might consider a do-it-yourself approach to save money, renting a pressure washer for around $50 to $100 daily. However, professional services offer significant advantages beyond just convenience. They possess the right commercial-grade equipment and expertise to safely clean various surfaces without causing damage. Professionals also save you valuable time and ensure a thorough, long-lasting clean, giving your home a fresh look. To get the best value, always compare quotes from at least 3 different pressure washing providers in your area. Many companies offer slightly better rates during their slower seasons, like late autumn or early spring, so inquire about off-peak discounts. Maintaining a regular cleaning schedule can prevent extreme buildup, making each subsequent wash quicker and potentially more affordable. These smart strategies help you maintain a beautiful home without overspending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.